Hey there, rewards enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about making the most of your credit card perks. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to redeem your American Express rewards points. If you've been accumulating points but aren't sure what to do next, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and turn those points into real value. First off, what exactly are American Express rewards points? They're like digital currency you earn from spending on your Amex card. You can use them for travel, cashback, gift cards, or even merchandise. The key is knowing how to access and redeem them efficiently. To get started, you'll need to log into your American Express account. Head over to the Amex website or open their mobile app. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Rewards, or Membership Rewards, section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your current points balance right away. Let's say you've got 50,000 points burning a hole in your virtual pocket. Now, explore your redemption options. For travel, you might transfer points to airline or hotel partners for flights and stays. If you prefer cash, you can redeem for statement credits or direct deposits. Merchandise? Check out the online catalog for everything from electronics to experiences. Here's a quick step-by-step. Select the redemption type. Choose your specific reward, review the points required, and confirm your selection. It's that simple, but a pro tip: always compare the value. For instance, redeeming for travel often gives you more bang for your buck than straight cash. Watch out for expiration dates and any minimum redemption thresholds to avoid losing out. Wrapping this up, redeeming Amex points is a fantastic way to enhance your everyday life or splurge on something special. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy redeeming.